If you want to insert SIM card into Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, you just have to take a look at one of the sides of the phone in order to find the SIM tray, which is over here. You can also find the SIM tray hole on the SIM tray, and we need to use the eject tool. You should be able to find yours inside the box of the phone, and we need to use it in order to simply pop out the SIM tray from the phone. So we're gonna put the eject tool into this hole that we have here, and then once it is in, you want to push it into the phone with a bit of pressure. There we go. And it should slightly pop out just like that. Then you can use your fingernails or fingers to completely remove the SIM tray, just like that. And there we go. Now we can insert our SIM cards. Over here we have, of course, the SIM card slot. You just need to match the shape. It should go in very easily. Just make sure that your SIM card is properly inserted, and you might want to hold it with your finger, because usually SIM trays on Samsung Galaxy smartphones are very loose, and it's very easy to actually drop the SIM card. So we're gonna put it back into the phone just like that and slide it all the way in with your finger. It should go all the way in. The SIM tray should not stick out of the phone. And in case you have trouble with putting it back all the way in, just make sure that your SIM card is actually properly, fully inserted into the SIM tray, into its slot. So leave a like and subscribe.